welcome back to my channel today. Welcome back to another video. I feel so good this morning, guys. It's not Friday. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday, the day before 4th of July, and I don't know, it kind of feels like a Friday. I literally thought it was Friday. Wow. Anyways, I feel so good today, guys. I woke up such in a great mood. My energy is good. I feel good. I jumped on the scale early this morning. The number went down. We're losing weight. I'm just feeling myself. I'm so happy, and hopefully my energy can kind of like radiate off to you guys. Is that the word? But anyway, I'm gonna take you guys along with me today and show you guys what I eat in a day. So I just did morning drop off. I'm gonna go in and work. I picked up 2 coffees today. I know, so ridiculous. And then I got Micah a coffee, or not a coffee, it's like a lemonade refresher from Dunkin. But I had to get 2 coffees today because I had to try an iced coffee and a cold brew like together to see which one I like better from Dunkin. I know, it's so ridiculous, but let me put you guys down and I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so I got so they both have the exact sugar-free flavors and also the same amount of cream. So this one is a medium iced original coffee, 1 sugar-free hazelnut, 1 sugar-free French vanilla, and 4 cream. So this is the iced coffee. And then this one is the medium cold brew, 1 sugar-free vanilla, 1 sugar-free hazelnut, and 4 creams. So I wanted to try them because I got a cold brew the other day, and I don't know if I liked it, but I was like, you know what, I don't know if I like this, but like when I go to Starbucks, I always get cold brew. So I'm like, how come I'm not like loving the cold brew here? Maybe it is different. Maybe, you know, they're not the same. But so anyway, I was like, let me try the iced coffee and the cold brew at the same time, because again, the prices are so reasonable at Dunkin'. The iced coffee was $3. The cold brew was $4. At Starbucks, a cold brew would be like $5, $6, $7. So I was like, I'm just gonna get both and just try. Okay, so this is the iced coffee. I feel like I taste the coffee more. It's a little bit stronger in this one. And I feel like the cold brew is smooth, but like too smooth, where like it's starting to just taste like water or milk, and I don't really taste the coffee. But maybe that's the point. Maybe if you like smoothness, go with the cold brew, but if you like that coffee taste, go with the iced coffee. I don't know. I think I am loving the iced coffee more. Yeah, I think the winner for me is the iced coffee at Dunkin' and then cold brew at Starbucks. So, I don't know. I want to venture out and try like the other unsweetened sugar-free flavors, but I'm just loving the 1 hazelnut, 1 vanilla sugar-free flavors right now with the extra cream. Anyways, I just wanted to try that and let you guys know. So the winner is the iced coffee. Okay, so anyways, yeah, I will see you guys probably around noon, so in a few hours, so we can make lunch or breakfast. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Okay guys, it's 12:30. We're gonna have breakfast. So let me show you guys what we are going to have. So we are gonna have Starbucks egg bites. These are so good if you're on keto, if you're watching your carbs. These are the exact egg bites that they have at Starbucks, and I bought this from Costco for I think it was like $12.99. The recommended way of cooking it is in the air fryer, my favorite. But I did 2 pieces of bacon. Cut this. So I just want to show you guys how nice and thick that looks. And then the only fruit I have right now are oranges. So I'm gonna do a side of orange just to give me that like refreshing taste and just get some fruit in as well. This is not low carb, but fruit is not bad for you. And then we are gonna add a little bit of sriracha. I'm actually just gonna put it in the middle. All right guys, and this is going to be breakfast. We got 2 thick slices of bacon here, a little tangerine or cutie, whatever you want to call it, or orange. And then we've got the bacon Starbucks egg bites with a side of sriracha. And this is on a small plate. It's not on a big plate. So just helps with like portion control, you know, making sure you're not eating like that many calories. Okay, so let's take a bite. I love the egg bites from Starbucks. I feel like the one from Costco is so worth it for the price. Dipped in sriracha. That is cooked perfectly. I threw this in the air fryer for about 9 minutes. When I had it the first time, I overcooked it, and I feel like right now I cooked it so perfect. The middle is still very soft. Okay guys, we are in Sam's. Well, we're going into Sam's right now to grab a couple things for a little cookout tomorrow. So let's go into Sam's. All right, we've got some, my favorite. This is broccoli salad. We've got beef hot dogs, buns, yogurt.
Thunderbolt.
Can't. Well, I can't. I can just go 2
Next.
more inches.
No.
Hello, guys. Welcome back to All Things Kim.
We're eating wings from Walmart, guys. This is wings from Walmart.
Yeah, they put them in the fryer.
They're good.
Oh. Micah has another question for you guys, okay?
Would you rather have Dunkin' Donuts or ice cream?
No, Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks.
No ice cream.
Okay.
I think Dunkin'.
Go to Dunkin' Donuts, or would you rather go to Starbucks? Leave us a comment right now.
Like
Do you run on Dunkin' or you are Starbucks girly? Pick one.
Hello, guys. Wait, Mom, is this a real vlog?
Yeah.
Hello, guys. My name is Micah. And this camera's nice.
How's your summer going?
Good. Because I have summer camp, going fishing. Today we went fishing. We went to the lake yesterday. We went to the park on the first day of field trip. It was nice. Yeah, it was nice. Really nice time.
Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. It is 4th of July, so happy 4th to everyone. I hope that everyone is safe today. I hope everyone eats yummy food, gets to be with people that make them happy, and just most importantly, I hope you guys are safe. I am off of work today, and Jamal's off of work, so I'm taking this time to go to the gym to get a workout in. It is 8 o'clock in the morning, and I literally just woke up, rolled out of bed, brushed my teeth, and was like, okay, I'm gonna go to the gym. And they are open today, thankfully. Guys, yesterday after I ate those Walmart wings, I was knocked out. I didn't eat anything else. Kyrie and I went to sleep early. Okay guys, we're gonna head to the gym, and then I'm gonna take you guys with me on my day. We're heading to Jamal's parents' house today for a cookout, so I'll show you guys all the yummy food that we have and what we're gonna make and what we bought. And yeah, we're just gonna have a good day. So okay, I had a really good workout. I'm kind of bummed because I did not start my watch in the beginning. I realized like when I was lifting that I was looking at like my workout and it said like there was no activities going on, so I'm like, oh, I thought I pressed like the activity but I didn't, so I don't really know how many calories I lost for the workout, but I don't know, whatever, it is what it is.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight cause I am falling. I'm so deep down.
Okay, put it in the back.
And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide.
I was doing it the wrong way.
This is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes.
Yeah.
And you can tell me all the lies.
Say hi to the vlog. Guys, look at this. These burnt hot dogs. Please.
On them joints.
Would you guys eat this?
Okay.
Okay, guys, we are just out here. It is 2:30. Everything on the grill is done. I don't know when we're eating yet. Probably like in the next hour or so. Kari's back there playing. Okay, thanks for cleaning the car.
I'm not clean.
Yes, you are. Oh, yeah.
I'll do it.
Huh?
That's good.
Before we headed out for the day, Jamal decided to make us scrambled eggs and turkey bacon, so I threw them in a little tortilla wrap, a little carb wrap, and that's what we had for breakfast. It is the weekend again. I'm so happy it's the weekend. I've been a little stressed at work, so I'm happy that today is Saturday. Right now it is 11 o'clock. We're actually gonna head over and do some shopping at the mall, and then I want to run into one of my favorite Asian supermarkets since we're gonna be close to that particular store, and just grab a couple like things I need, and then maybe I'll make like, I don't know, some Thai dishes today. I don't know, guys. So come along with us, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video.
See ya, guys. I'm gonna put.
Show them your cool sunglasses. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, put them on your face.
My head.
Oh, you want to put on your head? Okay, all right, say bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. I'm gonna post.
We're going into this store, kid to kid. Jamal wanted to check it out. We'll see what they have.
Ooh. Oh. What's that texture?
Here, Kari. Big one. Big chicken nugget.
Many people don't like broccoli. Kind of.
I'm eating the veggies and the shrimp.
Spicy master.
And they're eating the rice and the chicken. Okay guys, so I don't know. It like follows me. Let me see if I can turn it off. Okay, there we go. Turned it off. So we're waiting in the car. Jamal's getting Uncle Sam's sub. So he's getting like steak hoagies. He's been craving it. So we're here. He's inside now getting that for Micah and himself. I was gonna get Thai food. I've been craving this I don't know what it's called in English, but in Thai it's called kapun, and it's like, I don't know, like noodles, and then it has like a red curry paste to it. Anyway, the Thai place that has it is closed, so I cannot get it. But let me show you guys what I got at the mall. I went into Sephora and I grabbed another Summer Fridays like butter balm or lip balm. What's it called? It's a lip butter balm, and I already have one. I love it so much. It's almost gone. It's in the pink sugar. So this one, and like look at the packaging. Like the marketing is just incredible. Like it just like you want to buy this just because it looks like so good. So this is in the flavor sweet mint, and it is just like, it's just a clear like gloss. You see that? I just squeezed so much. I love it. I love the way it hydrates my lips, and I love like it's just so easy to carry with you. It was a little expensive. I think, I don't know, with tax it came to like almost $30, and I almost got a Stanley cup, but I stopped myself, which is good.